Today we're here to congratulate this homeowner on their new roof that was made possible through our Blue Tarp Roof Program. We were able to put a new roof on this home, and we know that roof is really like the foundation of many of the homes here. And especially for the elderly, they need an opportunity to make improvements for their homes to help their quality of life. So we're happy to be a part of this initiative. In this particular funding round, we've helped over 70 homeowners in collaboration with the funds of Senator Barrow. And today we're looking at 3 of those home recipients.
And I had a chance to see firsthand the impact of not having your roof done does to a home with my family, with my parents, and what we went through with the insurance company, how I had to struggle with them in terms of trying to make sure that they received an actual roof. They kept trying to patch the roof. So this program became extremely important to me, especially as it related to seniors, because oftentimes I felt like they were taken advantage of, they were not receiving what they needed. I am extremely excited to know that we have truly been a blessing to another family in being able to provide them with something that is so important when you talk about safety and security of a home.
Once you start to see shingles lifting up, and I've experienced a long time ago with roof damage, so I knew what it looked like. And I even had having to put pots on the floor because I heard a bang in the night, which scared me. I thought someone was breaking in, and it turned out that the roof had fallen in.
My house was actually leaking, and I didn't know where I was going to find the funds to be able to get it repaired. And so I went down to the housing corporation, and I put in the application, and they called me and told me that I was approved, and I was elated. I didn't know what to think. They helped me, they walked me through it, and I mean, I was just so excited to know that, I was able to get this done.
I was in the hospital, they can't put the roof on, but I laid it out before they left. And I just went to my sister and I just said, you said, don't worry. You said it's gonna be all right. And every time she tell me it's gonna be all right.
I'm still looking at my roof. I just want you to know. I haven't stopped looking at my roof, but I'm looking at it with a different mindset, that God is good and He will send us what we need. Look what they did. They replaced that vent to coincide with the color of the roof.
What? The roofing company did an awesome job.
You see how they matched it with the bricks?
Yes! Very intentional, they paid attention to the details. My colleagues have now seen the value of this program. They see the value of what it's doing for families. And just as this particular homeowner who I just had the opportunity to speak to, I am emotional because it really blesses me to know that we have truly made a difference.
Homeownership, it comes with a cost, and being able to help people stay in their homes as well as to improve their condition, it means a lot to me personally. Please visit Louisiana Housing Corporation's website. In addition to this particular initiative, throughout the years, we have many other initiatives. That website is lhc.la.gov.